What's going on, guys? Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Google Play Store onto your iPhone. So this actually works. I found a website where you can get it, so let's get into the video. As you can see, I have Play Store right here. We open it up and it is fully operational. So I'm going to show you guys how to download. So basically what you need to do is go to this site. It's called zoommods.com. They have a bunch of modded apps and stuff like that. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Play Store. So as you can see, it says Play Store mod right here. This is the Play Store for iOS. So we're going to press on it. It's going to download it. Now before it downloads it, there is the remaining files that need to be installed using a verification, which is pretty easy. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. Just so I can show you guys how to install the Play Store for your iPhone. So as you're going to see in a second, it's basically going to bring us to a page where it says please install 2 free apps to automatically install the Play Store. So there's going to be like 4 of them. You just press on them, and press tap to install, and it'll bring you to the App Store, and you just download the app. Now bear in mind, each app is going to be different. So Evertail says down to run for 30 seconds, but then Family Island says reach level 10. So make sure you're completing whatever it says, because some people just download the apps, they don't do like anything on them, and they're screwed because like that will not trigger the download. You can see I did the Family Island one, which is pretty easy. But yeah, that's how to get the Play Store on iOS. You can like fully access it and play all your favorite games, as you can see. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and everything, because this is super cool. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys later, and peace out.